Yes, we at.
I'm out here in that good motherfucking LA. Out here with my Mexican people, you know, doing it real tough, man. As you can see, it's packed in this motherfucker. Everybody getting they 7-day.
Chalupa Gorduta. Get your chupa, man.
Like Cat Williams say, he been in this motherfucker 7 days talking about, I want to go home. But yeah, man,
we on a Bajo Bateria, nigga. I think I got a question mark on the recorder, but we going hard right now in LA, man.
DVD, man. We been on this motherfucker since Thursday. Going hard, man.
It's Thursday.
So I had no sleep, man.
And this is just a to be continued venue, baby.
We went from the prettiest to the ugliest, most beautiful motherfucking city in the world. You know what I'm saying?
all in one day. All in one day.
Y'all trying to catch me one of them good old run across the thing, you know what I'm talking about?
Coyote. Yeah, man. You know, we just got on that off East LA, you know what I'm saying? I went to a friend of my spot, you know, she took a nigga back to when I was in my younger days. You know what I'm saying? Seeing roaches and shit crawling over the goddamn wall. I wanted to slap her ass, you know what I'm saying? She didn't put me on, let me know what's really going on.
But it's nothing to real niggas, man.
You know, stepping in the shower.
Iced up, man, we got money and we still stay in spots with roaches, nigga. Try that.
I thought I was in Mexico when I took a motherfucking shower and it had no water pressure in that motherfucker. I wanted to ask her what's really the fuck going on, you know what I'm saying?
Bitch house is dirty, nigga. Try that.
Clean DVD. You know what I'm saying? Bitch, I hope you watching this. Get your mind right out here.
Oh, I'm doing that. We got the ambiance, got the music right, everything is pumping.
Do it the right way though, nigga. They feeding our folks. They feeding our people the right way. If you look at this shit is the cleanest supermarket I ever been in. Look at how this shit is well put together. Look at the vegetables. You say they got the broccoli.
The organization.
Look at that shit, man. This shit is right. This is how motherfuckers supposed to be coming in and getting their food. This shit look better than Safeway.
Safeway, take notes. Safeway, take notes. Everything is good. We got tough cookies. Tough cookies. We got invaluables and invaluables. How I get zooms on this? Watch it.
Look at the chilies up here, brother.
Getting chili bowl Willy Wells. Chili bowl Willy Wells. Look how the chiles.
The chiles look good.
The chiles is on point.
Fresh chiles, let me hot out here, man.
Mexico, across the border.
Keep a fresh chile, man.
Get your chile on. You don't have no chile, you not good. Caliente jalapeno. What else, baby?
Get right there, my nigga. You see that one right there looking like.
Oh, we already got that. We got that. That was footage stuff. Bumper to bumper traffic.
We just
Regrouping and recouping.
Clean DVD, you know what I'm saying? Going hard. Tired of shit. But we gonna make it happen. We gonna get through this motherfucking day, man. You know what I'm saying?